Hi, I'm David Willis, founder and principal trainer at Celebrant Training School. December is a unique time for funeral celebrants. Whilst it can sometimes be quieter than other months, it's the perfect opportunity to reflect on your year, to strengthen professional relationships and to prepare for the busy winter season ahead. In today's video, I'll share with you 5 essential tasks for funeral celebrants to focus on this December. And don't miss the bonus tip at the end, because it's all about looking after yourself whilst doing this demanding role. So, job number 1, create and distribute a December newsletter. Something like this. A December newsletter is a wonderful way of reconnecting with funeral directors and arrangers. Include things like a reminder of your services and your availability over Christmas, and not forgetting your new 2025 Celebrant fees. Include recent family testimonials and any charity fundraising that you're proud of. Showcase your achievements with any hobbies or interests. This can really personalise your connection with other professionals. Hand deliver these newsletters where possible, but if you can't do that, post or email them as early as you can in the month of December. Distribute them to all your funeral director contacts, whether they use you or not. There is often a high turnover in the world of funeral celebrants, and so make sure that you tell them that you are still at it. Now, job number 2 is to plan and do pre-Christmas visits to selected funeral directors. Take time to visit those funeral directors who have shown you loyalty throughout the year. Bring thoughtful, handcrafted gifts like homemade mince pies or Christmas cake, or hand-painted Christmas cards or tree decorations. Avoid expensive items to ensure that your gesture is seen as personal, thoughtful, and genuine appreciation, and not an obligation. Now, job number 3 is to send out charity Christmas cards to families. For families that you've connected with deeply this year, consider sending them a charity Christmas card. Focus in particular on those facing their first unanticipated Christmas without a loved one, and only write cards where the words come naturally. A kind message can offer immense comfort, but it should feel sincere and heartfelt. Otherwise, don't. Job number 4 is to use quieter moments in December to organise and refresh your collection of funeral poems. So remove those poems that haven't been chosen in the last few years and add any new suggestions from families who you've worked with during the year. It's important to keep your collection varied so that it caters to different personalities and preferences. But this preparation will ensure that you're ready to offer a fresh and meaningful options to families in 2025. Job number 5 is not an exciting one, but it certainly is vital, and that's to update your tax self-assessment records. Please don't let tax preparation become a January panic. So instead, update your income and expenditure spreadsheet now for the tax year that ends on the 5th of April 2025. And if you've not yet submitted your online self-assessment for 2024, well, the deadline is the 31st of January 2025, so you need to get a move on. You need to save yourself from all that stress and avoid being part of HMRC's annual Christmas Day submission statistics. Now, your bonus job is to prioritise planning your own rest and relaxation over the Christmas period. As a funeral celebrant, your role requires emotional resilience, and spending quality time with loved ones and practicing self-care isn't just a luxury, it's essential for maintaining your own professional energy when you're supporting bereaved families. So switch off, focus on self-care, and connect with what is most important in your life. I hope these tips help you make the most of December and set you up for a successful 2025. If you found this helpful, please like and comment, and subscribe for more content designed to support your successful celebrant journey. And if you've missed last week's video featuring December's jobs for wedding celebrants, then check it out on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.